In this video, we will learn about Arduino Uno and its pin functions. Arduino Uno is best choice for beginners who wanted to enter in embedded and IoT field. It is license-free platform to develop embedded system. The software used for Arduino device is called IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, which is free. The Arduino board can be directly connected to computer through USB cable. And by this cable, you can transfer your program code from PC to controller using this IDE software. With the help of Arduino, user can develop smart and automated system in cheap and flexible way. As per requirement, user can program microcontroller and make devices work. It also supports serial communication using transmitter and receiver pins. Now we will study pin functions of Arduino. First is power USB. Arduino board can be powered up by using USB cable from your computer. That is, one end of cable is connected to your PC and other end is connected to the USB port of Arduino. The next is barrel jack. We can also power up Arduino using AC to DC adapter supply connected to this barrel jack. Then voltage regulator. It is used to stabilize the DC voltage used by processor and other elements on the board. And next is power pins. As you can see on the board, there are 3.3 volt and 5 volt supply pins, then ground pins and also V-in pin, which is applying external power input. Now next is analog inputs. There are 6 analog pins A0 to A5. See here, which reads the signal from analog sensor like temperature, humidity sensor, gas sensor and convert it into digital value so that it can be read by processor because processor work with digital values only. Next is digital input output pins. There are 14 digital pins which acts as input and also as output, out of which 6 pins are PWM pins, that is pulse width modulation. PWM pin can control brightness of LED, speed control of DC motor. Means you can getting analog output with digital means. And next is transmitter and receiver LEDs. TX is for transmitter and RX is for receiver. Transmitter LED flashes while sending serial data and receiver LED flashes while receiving that data. Later, we will observe it while program is transferred from your PC to Arduino board. The next is power LED indicator. This LED should light up when you plug your Arduino to power source. If this LED does not turn on, then there is something wrong with the connection or board. And last is reset. This reset button is used to reset your Arduino board. That is, you can start your program from beginning. So this is all about Arduino pins.